What is up, guys? Here back with another YouTube video. Today is not a weather video in general. This is something completely different. We're making a WSV3 tutorial on how to create header logos. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is you're going to go search up on Google almanydesigns.com. You're going to search up almanydesigns.com, and it's going to take you to this website called Omni Designs. Feel free to pause this. I'm going to kind of make this short, but feel free to pause this if I'm going too fast. So you see you're on this page. What you want to do is go up here, click Weather Tools. Up here, Weather Tools. Go to WC3 and click on Header Logos. Once you're on there, you have a bunch of different header logos, and you can download whichever one looks coolest to you. Whichever one of these looks coolest to you, you can definitely use here based on that. So I'm going to be using Baron, which is the top left one right here. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to click download right here, and it's gonna put you to this, and you're gonna right click, save image as, and it's going to do the file name and save it to wherever you want. I'm just saving it to downloads. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to click on a new tab, and you're going to want to search up Pixlr.com. Pixlr.com. And now that you're on this website, it's going to look something like this. And what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to want to go over here and click Open Image. Scroll, go to Downloads wherever I put it at, or wherever you put your thing at, and you're going to click on that thing you downloaded, that file you downloaded on File Explorer. And mine says Baron Designs 3. And you're going to double click on that, and it's going to take you to this here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I don't really need this white thing on the left of my screen, so I'm going to crop that out right here. And if you want to know how to do that, all you got to go is to the left of your screen and click crop and rotate. And you can crop things out pretty easily here, and you can also zoom it in with your mouse. So as you can see, we are zooming it in right now. And now that you have that applied, you have your whole thing fully made here. And I'm just going to make a random example of this. You can make it look different than mine. But the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the left of your screen, click Add Text. Click Add New Text. And now that you have your text, you can delete it and make it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Live Radar, and I have it in all caps. And we can also change the font. So this is the font. It's called Verdana. If you click on the font, you can scroll down and find whatever font you want. I'm going to choose this font because I think it looks pretty cool. Now that you have a font, there's also ways to make it look fancy here. So what you want to do on your text on the left of your screen, scroll down. You can also adjust the size by going right here. You can adjust the size from whatever size you want is adjustable with this here. So what you want to do to make it look fancy, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you can see outline. Turn it on. Click these three lines right here. You can make it whatever color you want. I'm personally going to make it black. And I'm going to expand the size, but you might be wondering, I don't see a difference. It's because this is a black background. So what you're going to want to do, click Shadow, click Color, and I'm just going to change that to white. And now we have the good thing set up. And you can also expand the shadow with the opacity right there. Hope that helps you guys out. So once you're done with that step right there, sorry if this is going a little long of a video. What you want to do next is you're going to go to the right of your screen, and you can see this little plus right here. You want to click Add Layer. And then what you're going to do, you're going to pick Shape. And I'm just going to keep mine as a rectangle. and you can drag it around with your cursor, and you can also make it smaller with this here. So this is basically a tutorial with that. I'm gonna make this a little tinier. And you can basically adjust the whole size and everything with this. So now I have my thing adjusted to the size I want it to. Now you're going to go over to fill, and I'm going to make this a severe thunderstorm warning. So I'm going to put this into the yellow color, and you can adjust that to whatever you want with this. So I have it to the yellow color now. Now I have that finished. You can feel free to pause this, remember. Now that you have that finished and done, you're now going to want to add another text, add new text, and you're going to type in severe T storm. I'll actually delete this one, but severe T storm. Severe T storm is up right here, and you can adjust the size of however you want it to. And I'm going to change the font again to this one right here. And now that you have your severe storm right there, if you're wondering, you can change the fill color. I'm going to make it yellow since that's the severe storm color, so you can drag it over right here and go up, and you have your yellow thing done. Now that that's finished, you're going to want to hit add layer again on the right of your screen, hit shape, and you're going to adjust the shape to whatever you want it to look, like this, right here. And you're going to set the fill to red. So now you're probably done setting that up. I'm going to make this adjust the size of this here. Okay, now that we have that done, and now once you're done with that in red, you're going to hit add text again, add new text, and adjust this. I'm going to put let's see, what am I going to put? Once you're done with that, you're going to want to put tornado warn, or tornado warn. And you can adjust that to whatever you want. I'm going to adjust the size and everything here. I'm going to adjust the size using this thing here. And now that you have this size adjusted, that's probably the perfect amount of size I want to make it to. I'm actually going to make this all caps. Warn. Tornado warn. So now you have that done, you're going to change the fill color, and I'm just going to put it to a red like usual. And I'm going to change that font to this one font that we had. Where was it? Up there. So now we have that font gotten done. And I'm going to make the outline a red to make it look cooler. I'm going to make that I'll just keep it to black, actually. I'll just keep it the default. And I'm going to have a little opacity here. So now that you're done with that, once you're done with everything, you're going to want to hit save. Save this as a PNG. That's the one I advise you to do, is a PNG. Click save as, and save it to wherever you want. I'm just going to save it to downloads. And once you have that saved, go to your WSV3. Once you're done with that, you want to hit WSV3 on the top left of your screen. Hit Program Settings. You're going to want to hit Logo/timestamps. Make sure to change it to Custom. And you're basically going to put it in here by clicking this little paper sheet look right where it shows that map logo. Hope this is easy for you guys. If it's too hard, I can answer your questions. But now you're just going to want to click on that and go to downloads. And wherever you put your file to, you're going to go right there and double click it. and hit apply. And you might be wondering, and you might not know where it is at right now, but we can adjust that. Here, I'm going to adjust this to see we have our live radar and everything. And if you want to adjust where it goes and stuff and where it's at and everything, you can do that by right here where logo and timestamps is at. It shows where everything is at right here. See it? You can see it up here. Position offset from corner, and you can adjust the number here. I'm just going to adjust it to that. And then once you're done with everything with that, you can just adjust the size to wherever you want it to go. I'm going to make this go further down. And now, once you're done with that, you might be wondering, how did you get that? How did you get that clock or the time to look like that? What you want to do? Stay on your logo and timestamps. Click Edit Text Appearance. Go to Bounding Box. Make sure to turn on Bounding Box. Change the primary color to black and adjust this little number right here, right next to the primary color, and make that to 168. And once you're done with all of that, you can also change the primary color up here and the gradient color. You can also go to Edit Font, and you can change the fonts and the size and everything like that. So once you're finished with that and all, you can also change where it's the position's at. Right under Edit Text Appearance, it shows Position Offset. You can adjust those numbers to wherever you like, and it is good. Hope I made this a simple tutorial. Sorry if it was a bit long. Hope I made this a simple and easy tutorial. Hope you guys liked it, and bye, guys.